Hello dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Today's topic is Ethard oxidation. Ethard oxidation is a synthetic method for the synthesis or for the preparation of aromatic aldehydes from their corresponding aromatic compounds like toluene, benzene. So let us get into the details of the reaction. So it is the oxidation of toluene in presence of chromyl chloride to give benzaldehyde molecule. So toluene is methyl benzene. Here as the structure is written here, methyl benzene and chromyl chloride is given here. So this was discovered by Alexander Leon Ethard. The mechanism of this reaction involves two steps. The first step is the formation of Ethard complex by Ene reaction. Ene reaction, it is called as Ene reaction because there is a new double bond formed here, hence it is called as Ene reaction. And the complex is formed with toluene and chromyl chloride. Toluene and chromyl chloride combine together to give a new compound called Ethard complex. In the second step, there is a decomposition of Ethard complex to give aldehyde by delocalization of the bond or to relocate through relocation of the sigma bond, and there is no need of catalyst in this reaction. So here, along with the oxygen, but the sigma bond gets transferred here onto this carbon present here, and this double bond is shifted into the benzene molecule and the removal of the chromium complex here. So after the removal of chromium complex, some more changes takes place so that we get the benzaldehyde molecule. Now benzaldehyde, there are some special properties of benzaldehyde that it is very useful in, especially in food industry, because it gives almond like flavor to the food items. And this is also used, benzaldehyde is also used as base in perfumes. And it is also a starting material, like a starting material in the synthesis of a special medicine called phentermine, which is a sympathomimetic drug. Sympathomimetic drug is, it imitates or it enacts the work of sympathetic nervous system. So, and it is also utilized as a starting material in dyes and other medicinal compounds also. Now, these, as benzaldehyde is very much useful, Ethard oxidation also becomes commercially important due to all these uses of benzaldehyde molecule. That is how we synthesize benzaldehyde with the help of Ethard oxidation reaction. Thank you.